Okay guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. We appreciate you tuning in this morning. We're going to do something a little different. It's going to be our Christmas special video here. We're up in the wood shop for a couple of reasons. It's cold outside this morning, and there's a brand new kerosene heater sitting over there. We run that thing for a few minutes while we was getting ready. It feels good. But that being said, well, thank you for tuning in. Thankful for this time of year, but we got something a little unusual today that we're going to try to saw up for you. It showed up on our yard a few weeks ago. Guy dropped it off a tree band. I called him. I said, "What is that?" He said, "I don't know. They paid me to cut it, and you got it." One of those deals. So I called a cousin of mine that done tree work his whole life, and he come by, looked at it, and he had actually seen it on the guy's truck down at the local convenience store where he was getting a biscuit that morning. And he said, "Oh yeah, I know what that is. Those are called Jolly Green Giants." Now I had to go do a little research on this tree, and we'll get to that in just a second. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be right back. Got my phone out here. Thanks to Google, we can learn a few things. And this is for myself and you other sawyers out there. This species of tree is American named. It's just a Jolly Green Giant. It was cultivated at Doles Poulsen's Denmark Nursery in 1937. Samples were sent to the U.S. National Arboretum at Copenhagen in 1967, and they done a DNA analysis on this tree, and it's a hybrid between a Japanese arbor variety and a Western red cedar. Now, what makes this tree interesting to you and I, tree cutters out here, or sawyers, this tree, they estimate to have at least a 50-year lifespan. It's probably going to end up being a lot more. So the tree we got out here, you know, it's not 50 years old. It's probably 15 or 20. But you guys are going to start seeing these trees pop up on these sawmill yards, and it's something we need to educate ourselves on. It, like I say, it's a cross between a Japanese arborvitae and a Western red cedar. So it has the characteristics of cedar as well as cypress. It has water resistance, rot resistance, and resistance to most pests. And the most striking thing is the color. And we're going to saw it this morning and open it up. It's a deep purple, almost black inside. So that's what caught our attention. It's very unique. But we just want to bring it to you, let you know something to educate yourselves on, because these trees were planted as ornamentals, you know, nursery trees. But as they mature and homeowners take them down, you know, teach your tree man, hey, if you see one of these, bring it to me. You know, we've learned around here that magnolia makes good material for furniture.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, magnolia is a beautiful wood. We've also Leland cypress. I'll take every Leland cypress I can get. That stuff, it's not necessarily a pretty color, but it's a great wood. It has the same properties of cypress, water resistance, rot resistance. We've used it on several projects around here. No paint, no stain. It don't grow mold and mildew around here. You know, some of these ornamental trees can be of good use in the sawmill trade. So that being said, we thank you for watching. Thank you for taking time out during this Christmas season. I know you're spending it with your family. And if you got us on while you're sitting around with your family, we greatly appreciate it. inside. People often ask me why I like sawmilling, and I always tell them it's like opening Christmas presents. You never know what you're going to get. This is a good example, people. Show them, Matthew. This is some gorgeous wood. The browns, the purples, the whites all mixed together. Matthew and I may not let go of this. We may have to find a project for it. But thanks for watching. We'll finish cutting it up. Okay, guys, let's go do it. We got all our Jolly Green Giant sawed up. I'm gonna see if Matthew can drop in a still photo of what one of these looks like with all its needles still on it. It's a beautiful tree. I grew up, of course, in the South, Western North Carolina. We used to use Western red or Eastern red cedar as Christmas trees. I don't think anybody's ever used one of these, but if you have, let me know. That being said, this is our Christmas video, and from our house to yours, we want to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You got any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll be glad to answer them. And we appreciate you watching. You got anything, Matthew?
No, it's just beautiful wood. It was a great present for us to open for Christmas here at the mill. And Merry Christmas, everybody, and Happy Holidays.
Thanks, guys, and we'll see you back at the mill.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the Wise family.
Thank you for watching. Here's a video selection and a playlist suggestion. Click here to subscribe for more great content. We'll see you at the mill.